Welcome! In front of me I have Poco Watch and I'm gonna show you how to set the alarm clock on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the alarm icon. Looks like the alarm clock, basically like this. Once you find it, tap on it, and here we have the alarm menu, and we can add the alarm clocks by tapping on the plus button. If you tap on the plus button, you will need to set the time on which the alarm should go off. So I'm gonna set mine to something like 10:30, for example. Oh, my bad. And to set the time, of course, you need to swipe up and down on the hours and minutes right here. And once you set it to the time you like, come on. Okay, tap on the arrow right here to continue. And right now we need to select on which days the alarm should repeat. And we have a list of days, as you can see, and we can check them or uncheck them. If you uncheck all of them and leave none checked, you can tap on the check mark and the alarm won't repeat any day. It will just go off once. But if you select, for example, Monday and let's say Wednesday, and then tap on the check mark, the alarm will repeat every Monday and Wednesday. That's how it works. And after you set it up, you will have it right here in the alarms menu, and you can turn it on or off. You can also add another alarm because you can have multiple, as you can see. And you can then tap on the alarm also and edit it. So if you want to change something for the alarm, you can do that. But you can also remove the alarms by tapping on the Ben icon. And of course, once you're done setting up your alarms, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you set the alarm clock on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.